quick snap, second down. Favre with daylight and time goes for the whole thing. Touchdown! Green Bay leads. Brett Favre, 40 yards, and Sterling Sharp.
They're going to air it out. Rodgers does this better than anybody. End zone, Cobb, touchdown! Unbelievable!
The Bears. Favre throwing deep. Antonio Freeman, touchdown. And there's a penalty way back here.
They are going to bring pressure again. Rodgers is going to roll away, throws it up in the air, says a prayer, and Janis does he
stop it!
Oh, please!
What a catch!
That's insane!
Receivers get far enough down the field.
Rodgers in trouble.
It's going to get there.
He turned 32 yesterday. Does he have a vintage moment in him? In the end zone, it is caught for the win! Richard Rodgers.